Let's talk about how to use Google Keep for productivity. Here are 3 easy hacks to save time and be more organized. Keep track of your on-the-go thoughts. Creative people know inspiration can strike anywhere, and often at a time when you might not have a laptop nearby. This is where Keep comes to the rescue. Just start writing in Keep, jot down as much as you want, and then easily bring your note over to Docs later by clicking on the 3 dots below the note. Then click Copy Your Note, and boom, you have a Google Doc. The title of your note automatically becomes the title of your doc. I found this hack to be really useful when I'm in the phase of exploring ideas for video scripts or presentations. On to the next hack. Stay on top of your to-do list by setting reminders. Open Keep, start writing a note, and you'll see this little bell icon. This is where you can set a reminder. Let's say you need to buy some props for your upcoming video shoot and you want to make sure that you don't forget to get them. Getting props sounds a bit more exciting than just a grocery list. Anyways, just set your reminder and you are good to go. Easily find the note you're looking for with Google Drive. You might have done this before. Open Keep in one tab, open a doc in another tab, and then arrange them next to each other on your desktop screen. I definitely have. But did you know that your notes are already inside your Drive? Just open the side panel on the bottom right and then click on the Keep icon. All your Keep notes will appear right next to your doc. And what's even more amazing is that you can search for them as well. So if you're looking for a specific note you took, just search for it on the top and you'll find it within a few taps. That's it, 3 easy hacks with Google Keep. I hope these were helpful. Let us know in the comments below what else you want to know more about.